Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your image and locating the target icon. This saves time. On Android, long press the Google app. On iPhone, open Shortcuts. Once done, choose Edit or Create Shortcut so you can assign a new icon. Make sure the replacement is correctly sized and transparent where needed, because display issues happen otherwise. You're setting the stage. Collect the image file, confirm device permissions, and be ready to grant the launcher or shortcut app access to photos or files. You now replace the icon, tap Edit or the Shortcuts icon area, then pick Choose Photo or Choose File. When prompted, crop to a square and center the artwork so logos aren't cut off. Many launchers apply a mask, so preview before saving. After selecting the image, apply and wait for the launcher to refresh. On some systems, you must exit editing mode or restart the home screen. If you're using a desktop browser shortcut, upload the image when editing the shortcut properties. You finish by confirming the new icon shows correctly on home screen or desktop. If it doesn't, restart the launcher or the device because caches often block updates. If permission errors occur, delete and recreate the shortcut, granting file access when prompted. Make sure to keep the original icon or a backup image so you can revert quickly. If the icon looks distorted, re-edit the source image to proper size and format. Then reapply to resolve scaling or mask problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.